So our project is KnowMyFace, so it's more on face recognition with name labeling. Now, this is all about it recognizes your face and it shows the name, which is the input name that you entered. Okay, so basically I'm gonna give you example, but first thing I'm gonna show you my group mates. So my group is Ryan Wallo and Mark Nez. So basically, I'm gonna use them as an example, which is they're not here, mom. So I'm gonna use mine, which is my face, and this one I'm gonna use the image to recognize who they are. So basically, yeah. Now, now actually, these the data sets. I have this face data. Now, this actually face data. It's all stored, which is the name, and then the image. So so actually, it stored them in this face data folder, and then we have this also a face data database. So it's a SQLite. So basically, that's what I'm using to store them. And but now I'm gonna create another one, which is I'm gonna call it as data set. So I have already this. So I wanna make a new one. So yeah. So I'm gonna create a new one. If you create a new one, now I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna go with my name. So Muhammad Abdul Manan. So I'm gonna go first. Now I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen. Now as you can see here is processing. It detects the one. If it's one, it detects if there's a user, there's a image or face. So it detects me. So that's the camera. Paano to i-adjust? Okay, so basically hindi siya ma-adjust. I'm gonna use this. Now if I press S, it will snap. So I need to take a 5 snap. Either I smile or what. It's one. So as you can see, detect. So it snapped my face. And then either I smile or go left or right until it gets the 5 images. Now basically it's done. The image is done. Now if I want more, so we're gonna go for another one. So I already put my name, and then we're gonna go for Ryan Wallo. Now here, as you can see, we're gonna use Ryan Wallo face. So I'm not sure if this is very accurate, but I have tried this before. So it actually detect Ryan. And then I'm gonna snap it. Snap it. Snap it. Oh, you detect that one. You go for that. And then there you go. And then we're gonna go for Niez. Mark Niez. So this is gonna be hard. So there you go. Now it's done. Once it's done, I'm gonna say no. Just wanna stop it. And then I'm gonna go for my recognized place, which is the PY. Now once it's successful, it will show, there you go, face recognitions. Now as you can see, my name, Muhammad Abdul Manan. I'm gonna go for here. More, as you can see, my name is Muhammad Abdul Manan. And then I hope this recognize Martinez. So yeah. So it recognized Martinez, it recognized me. And then if I show this image, it recognized Ryan. So yeah, if I try another image, maybe it recognize. This one is not because the lightning. So it's really bad. This is Ryan. So basically, it recognizes Ryan. So it's not really good idea in using an image with phone. So basically, it's so accurate when actually in person, which is in person, it's very accurate than using this image, but some it's kind of accurate. So yeah, that's the project of our face recognitions about this. So it recognized Martinez, recognized Ryan Wall. So yeah, that's our project. So now I'm going to show you in my command line, and then as you can see, I have this processing speed, which is it calculates the processing speed, and then also the the false positive. So that's how it calculates. And I also have, I'm gonna end this. Now evaluating the metrics that also been calculated. So I'll show you py evaluate metric. So this command line simple UI. Now as you can see, it's accurate. So which is I use the data, which is the database, and then calculate the accuracy, the precisions, and the F score. So yeah, that's our project, the demo, and my group mates is Muhammad Abdul Manan, it's me, and Ryan Wallo and Mark Niez. So this project is Know My Face. It also applied deep learning.